Hello students, welcome to Sorosir classes. For detailed information about our classes, you can just visit our website, that is www.sorosirclasses.com, and for other doubts and queries, or if you can take study materials or videos of our courses, then you can just call us or WhatsApp us at this number 9836793076. You can even like our videos and subscribe our channel for further more videos. Today we are discussing some questions on general knowledge, and here is our first question. The question is, consider the following statements, and here two statements are given. Statement 1, that is inflation benefits the debtors, and statement 2, that is inflation benefits the bondholders. And here four options are given. We have to choose any one of these four. So statement 1 is correct, that is inflation benefits the debtors. This is because due to inflation the value of money goes down. The value of money goes down. The money owed by debtors which borrowed in the past, and due to inflation its real value goes down. The money owed by the debtors which borrowed in the past and due to inflation its real value goes down. And it thus becomes easier to pay due to lower real interest rates. The bond yields, however, go down due to inflation. The bond yields, however, go down due to inflation. The inflation eats into the bond payback. So statement 2 is incorrect. So here option A, that is only one, is the correct answer. Here is our next question. Question is, which of the following constitute capital accounts? Capital accounts. And here options are 1, that is foreign loan, B, that is foreign direct investment, C, that is private remittance, and 4, that is portfolio investment. And we have to choose any one option among these four. So the capital account and the current account and the current account are the two main components of a nation's balance of payment, which is known as BOP, that is balance of payments. Whereas the current account reflects the net change in ownership asset. It reflects the net change in ownership assets. Thus, it is clear that private remittance are part of the current asset. Private remittance are part of current account. On the other hand, foreign loans if II, that is commonly known as foreign institutional investor, and FDI, that is known as foreign direct investment, are the part of capital account, and FDI is the part of capital account. So here option B, that is 1, 2 and 4 is the correct answer, that is foreign loans, foreign direct investment and portfolio investment constitutes the capital account.